Welcome back to Things Around Productions. Today I got another quick GIMP tutorial for you. We're going to turn this picture into a pencil crayon drawing. The first thing we want to do is make two duplicate copies of our image. So we right-click on the layer and click Duplicate Layer. Do that twice. Now for the first layer, we go up to Filters, Distorts, Emboss. And we won't change anything else. We'll just click OK. Next, we want to change the mode over to Dodge. And that's it for the first layer. On the second layer, we go to Colors, Curves, and we adjust this until we're happy with what it looks like. A little adjustment in the curves goes a long way. If you make a mistake, you can always click Reset or Cancel. But when you get the image to what you want, click OK. You can always go back in and change the curve a little bit more and get something different. And there you have it, a soft pencil crayon drawing. And from here, it's pretty easy to turn this into kind of a pencil sketch. If we drop the saturation down, we can go back into our color curve. Light things up just a little bit. And there we have a black and white pencil sketch. And that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this tutorial and maybe learned something. If you have, why not throw me a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And we'll see you next time.